presenting the 2011 Nissan Rogue S. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include auxiliary audio input, security system, passenger illuminated visor mirror, front head airbag, traction control, tow hooks, and 4-wheel disc brakes. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.